Lost Lake was a bar located in Chicago created by Paul McGee and Shelby Allison. While the bar is no longer open, if you're looking for modern tiki inspiration, you need to check out their Instagram. Whether it's just ingredients, recipe inspiration, or you want to know how to garnish a modern tiki cocktail, that's a great resource. The Lost Lake cocktail is relatively simple to make in terms of ingredients, but it's complex and unique in its flavors. Now, the recipe was no secret and was shared in Punch, Imbibe, and the Minimalist Tiki book. For this one, you'll need lime, pineapple juice, passion fruit syrup, Campari, a maraschino liqueur, and an aged Jamaican rum. We're going to flash blend this in the drink mixer, but you can always shake it if you don't have one. Start with 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of pineapple juice, 3/4 ounces of passion fruit syrup, 1/4 ounce of maraschino liqueur, 1/4 ounce of Campari, and 2 ounces of an aged Jamaican rum. And we'll flash blend it for 5 seconds. So there you go, Lost Lake from Lost Lake in Chicago. All right, let's try it. Maraschino can be overwhelming. There's a lot of classic cocktails that call for it, and too much of it, and it just totally takes things over. The same can be said for Campari. Too much Campari and too much bitterness and just takes over every other aspect of your drink. The 1/4 ounce of each of these helps just balance everything out with your passion fruit syrup as well as your pineapple juice. You can still get the rum flavor there, but there's a lot going on in here. It's very complex. There's like a tiny bit of the floral note there from the maraschino, and then the bitterness of the Campari. And then even though we use 3/4 of an ounce of passion fruit syrup, it's not overwhelmingly passion fruit. That with the lime juice helps just add some acidity to help mellow everything out. So it's delicious and it's deserving of the name Lost Lake. So if you enjoyed this one, give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you haven't checked out the Patreon page, you can support the channel there. And otherwise, see you on the next one.